Alright, last but not least, I've got a few bonus tips for you. Number 1. Choose the right songs. Of course, you want to pick songs that you like, so you're motivated to learn them. But you also want to pay attention to their difficulty. There's nothing wrong with a challenge, but if you spend hours practicing just a few bars without much progress, maybe pick a different piece for now. For many songs you can find dozens of different arrangements, so it's worth doing a little research and finding a version that works for you. Number 2. Build a routine. If you want to improve, think about how to make piano practice part of your daily life. It can be very helpful to have a consistent practice schedule, or to set goals like practicing for at least 10 minutes a day, or mastering a certain song by the end of next week. Number 3. Practice slowly. This might be the most important piece of advice I have. When you sit down to practice, try not to play the piece from start to finish. A lot of people do that, and I've been guilty of it myself, but you'll just keep making the same mistakes. Instead, focus on the tricky spots and repeat them very slowly. Once you can play a part accurately at a low speed, increasing the tempo is pretty easy. But if mistakes are locked into your muscle memory, that's much harder to change. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, you can find more videos on music theory on my channel. I hope you found this helpful, and I wish you all the best on your very own musical journey.